Hello friends, welcome to the study of OD, whereby we are considering the homogeneous part, and today focus is linear OD, which is non-homogeneous with the variable coefficient. Now, we are going to make the following substitution in order for us to solve this equation. We are going to let our x to be equal to exponential t, so that now natural logarithm of x will be equal to t. And also we are going to let x squared d squared y over dx squared to be equal to d capital D minus 1 y. And then we are going to also let x, we are going to let d over dx to be equal to dy. So from there now, we shall make the following substitution. So making these substitutions, whereby now you have x squared d squared y over dx squared, we are going to substitute it with the d into bracket d minus 1 y plus 2 dy, which is equal to 6. So this is an homogeneous ODE. We are going to consider first of all the complementary part. So we have y complementary as equal to d squared minus d y plus 2dy, which is equal to 0, meaning that d squared plus d into bracket y is equal to 0. So we have that part, which we are going to solve it by letting our y to be equal to exponential m, whereby now it will reduce as m squared plus m, which is equal to 0, meaning that we can factor m out to be left with m plus 1, which is equal to 0, which implies that your m1 is equal to 0 and your m2 is equal to -1. With that, now we write our y complementary as c1 exponential 0 of x plus c2. We are considering t in this part because of what we let there. So c2 exponential t, which can be written as c1 plus c2 exponential t. Then we go to our y particular. Our y particular will be given by 6 divided by d squared plus d, which we can factor d in the denominator to be left with the 6 over d into bracket 1 plus d, whereby we can write it as 6 over d into bracket 1 plus d power 1. This is like power -1. Then our yp is equal to 1 over d into bracket 1 minus d plus d squared minus d cubic multiplying by 6. I have expanded this by power series to obtain this, which is equal to 1 over d minus 1 plus d minus d squared. Everything here, we are submitting our 6 to 8, whereby our yp will be equal to 1 over d means we integrate. So when we integrate x, means 6 with respect to t, we are going to get 6 t minus 6 when we multiply here. Then the rest part is going to reduce to 0. The other bit will reduce to 0, because now you have 6. When you integrate 6 with respect to d, it is going to give you 6t. So that is the part which we are going to to have there. Then our y solution will be given by y complementary plus y particular, which is equal to c1 plus c2 exponential t plus 6t minus 6. We remember that we say that x is equal to exponential t and ln of x is equal to t. So we make those substitution here so that now our y will be given by c1 plus c2 x plus 6. Instead of t, we write ln of x minus 6. So that is the solution of our given ODE, which was, our ODE was x squared, the second derivative of y with respect to x, plus 2x dy over dx, which is equal to 6. So thanks so much for taking your time to study this linear ODE, which is non-homogeneous and which has got the variable coefficient. Remember to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss a single video which I upload for us every day. See you in the next presentation as we continue learning together.